Plume is different in so many ways. All right, we're taking the first step and you're not going to make it alone. As a kid, I was acting in little plays. It felt like I was trying to make a circle fit into a square slot.
I had always identified as a lesbian, though masculine presenting, but even then it just didn't feel right. And so I started seeing a male therapist and it kind of just clicked.
I spent a lot of time alone in my room, staying up late, researching about what I don't understand. I realized that in Colombia, with my conservative family, it was simply not an option. I had the opportunity to finally leave my country and come here, and that's where I found Plume.
As soon as I knew what I needed to do, they were able to put my transition into my hands and be on a timeline that worked for me.
With Plume, I don't feel like I had to explain myself excessively. Outside of just the visits to get the testosterone, the support groups were the big pull for me. We're there for each other for everything, from emotions to relationships to stuff with parents.
I know that the care and the people are right there for me, just one text away. I feel comfortable to just put on some clothes and makeup and go outside and live my life.
In my future, I hope to be doing the things that I've always wanted to do that I feel like my dysphoria has held me back from.
What I want for myself is to be able to just live my life as who I am and be able to do the things that I love.